After the last video, we end up with two different MCC configurations and a single MPLAB project. And the MPLAB project has two MPLAB project configs. And we have a device. That device determines the device family pack, the basic low-level support. We have a file set, we have a toolchain, and only the toolchain is common here. And we end up with a very long file with some extra compiler directories and very long file set. So it may be desirable to refactor this and rather have two separate projects in a workspace. So let's look at how we can refactor this and prove that we understand how this all fits together. What I have here is the workspace, and this is what it looks like on the disk. And here I'm going to create two projects. So just copying this path and close this. Now it takes a little while to activate the extensions. There we go. PIC32CM MC project, custom location, paste there, and it's the MC, the compiler, and here you can see our minimal MPLAB project configuration, obviously with an empty file set. So let us copy and paste our MCC configuration into this new project folder. You can see it picks it up already, and if we try and open MCC, Control-Shift-P, launch MCC. Yes, we want to upgrade. Okay, so if we generate code, associated project not open. Okay, so where do we find our associated project? That's an MCC, mcc.vscode, and we can see that the project is the previous project and the CMMC config. So what we need to do is configure associated project of this MCC configuration, remove the configuration of that previous project, and Control-Shift-B, configure associated project of this MCC configuration, and add from our current project. And now, if we generate code, boom, there's our compiler directories and our file set. And a build is triggered just by changing project.json. And that is successful. One project down. Close folder. Create new MPLAB project. Needs to activate once you kind of start a new session by closing a workspace. PIC32CM JH project, custom location, workspace, yes, JH, part number, let's stick to the same toolchain. Let us copy our JH MCC config and paste it in there. Okay, now we can immediately remove the previous configuration, remove, and add back from this current project. And now open MCC. Okay, so open our project.json, generate code, done, our files are there, project is building. Okay. So we can just open folder at that level. Now we have our two projects. save workspace as, and if we close this, there we have successfully refactored our multiple MCC configs in a single MPLAB project with multiple configurations into 2 separate projects in a workspace. Proving that we understand this. Okay, good luck and enjoy playing.